Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Today, we've got an adorable 1-bedroom, 1.5-bath condo at Largo Mar. You want to check this one out with me.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome here to this 1-bed, 1.5-bath here at beloved Largo Mar condominiums. You're on the east end of Panama City Beach, which is great. You've got Schooners just down the way. You can shoot up Thomas Drive and hit Diego's or Publix or whatever you want. And of course, this is Gulf Front. This unit is set back one, but look at how beautifully updated and modernized that it is. You've got your new kitchen with your granite countertops, and it opens right up into this living space, all right here on the first level of this unit. So look at this beautiful bedroom. You've got lots of space. You've got two that can sleep here. There is a pull-out in this one, and if your couch is a sleeper sofa, then you can actually have 6 people in this beloved condo. Specifically here, you've got your in-unit laundry. You also have a full ensuite here. It's been beautifully updated with tile shower and all the kind of finishings that you would hope for. So this is a great opportunity as an investment, or if you'd like it as a second home. There's just enough space for a great little family or a small group of friends. So for more information, look in the listing description below. I've got the listing link there for you to look at all the fine details and more pictures. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any other deals like this one.